the A major scale on saxophone. So the A major scale has 3 sharps. So we're going to cover the fingerings first. And after that, we're going to play this together. So get your saxophone out. We need to just identify these 3 sharps to begin with. And it's going to be the C sharp, it's going to be the F sharp, and also the G sharp. So let's cover those fingerings first, and then we're going to walk through the entire scale. So C sharp, that's without pressing down on any keys. So it's just keeping your thumbs on the thumb plates and keep your hands like a Lego hand like this, still wrapped around the saxophone body, but without pushing down on any of the keys. So that's the C sharp. F sharp, that's 3 fingers in your left hand and the middle finger here in your right hand. Now we're going to be playing up, so it's going to be F sharp in the middle register, which means you will be adding the octave key to this fingering. So F sharp with octave key. And then you have the G sharp, and that builds off the basic G fingering, but you add your left pinky on the upper of these plate keys here for your left hand. So 1, 2, 3, and the plate key here on the side with your left pinky. Okay, so now we covered those sharp notes. Let's go through every note in the A major scale on your saxophone. So starting from A, and that's just 2 fingers like this. So A to B, moving on to C sharp, that's nothing, just the thumbs on the back. And then to D with octave key, E with octave key, F sharp with octave key, G sharp with octave key, landing on A with octave key. All right, so now it's time to actually play this. So get your saxophone ready with the basic fingering here, starting from A without octave key, and then we're gonna play up the scale. Here we go. Okay, so now you can play this from low A to high A, but what about from high A back down to low A? So that's what we're gonna do next. Get your saxophone ready. I'm briefly gonna cover the fingerings from that high A all the way back down, and this can actually feel a little bit different even though it's the same fingerings. So let's do that quickly first, and then we're gonna play it. So A with octave key, G sharp with octave key, F sharp with octave key, E with octave key, D with octave key, C sharp, no octave key, B, no octave key, and then you land on that A without octave key. All right, let's do this together, starting from the A with the octave key, moving downwards this time. Here we go. And finally, let's put this together. Low A to high A. Play that high A note one more time and then back down to low A. Bring up your saxophone and let's start from that low A this time all the way up to high A. Play that high A note again and then back down. Okay, here we go. All right, there you have it. Now you can play the scale, and make sure to download the PDF guide that covers all 12 major scales on your saxophone. There's a link below this video. That way you can work through all 12 major scales on your sax, and that will help you a lot as you continue on your saxophone journey. But that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.